What I learned in middle school by Jane Strickland. In Mr. Bedingfield's class, I learned how to code HTML, subordinating and coordinating conjunctions, complex, compound, and simple sentences, and how to record and upload to YouTube. Since Mr. Bedingfield has taught me these things, it will help me be successful in high school and college. In Stonham's class, I learned how to punctuate and write a better essay, the Holocaust and how Jews were treated, and how to find and identify figurative language. Ms. Stoneham has taught me these things that will help me in future essays in high school and college. I learned the 4-plate tectonics, convergent, divergent, rift, and transform, the 4 layers of Earth, inner core, outer core, mantle, crust, and the weather colors to show what kind of storm it is. Ms. Thorney has taught me lots of stuff to remember that will help me in life, and I'm thankful to have a teacher like him. Mr. Sturzinger's class, I learned about the Civil War, the secret railroad system that slaves used to escape, and about the North, South, and what side was better than the other. Mr. Sturzinger has taught me many historical things I will use and remember for high school. In Miss Turner's class, like Pythagorean theorem, what a linear and nonlinear equation is, and a positive and negative slope. Miss Turner helped me through the times that I had trouble with and has prepared me for high school math. Record and upload. In order to know how to record, you will be needing a recording platform, which I am using ScreenFlow because it is the easiest for me. If you were getting ScreenFlow, I would download it and then drag it onto your desktop. Once you have done that, you should double click it and this webcam should pop up in the top right, and you will get this desktop icon right here. It will tell you if you want to record video from the computer or record your audio, or if you want to record your computer audio. And this thing is telling you when you talk and if it's good or not. In order to upload, you will be once you have been done with your video and you want to upload it, you will be signing into your account, and then there should be an upload thing once you have got to YouTube. Click that, drag your video into the upload thing, and then it will take a while to upload. Sometimes it goes really fast. You can rename it, you can have a description for it, and pick your own thumbnail. Once you have done everything that you wanted to, just press publish and it's on your YouTube account. The map basically tells us what kind of weather we'll be having and what kind of storm it is. The H stands for high pressure and the L stands for low pressure. The blue line is the cold front and the red line is the warm front. When they collide together, that is called a stationary front. The colors up top, light to heavy, light green is the best weather that we can have, and purple and white are the worst weathers we can have. The lines on the weather map tell us, they are called isobars. They tell us the equal amount of pressure we are having. In the American Civil War, I learned lots of stuff that are important to me. I learned who was the Union and who were the Confederates. The Union were the Yankees, and the Confederates were the rebels. The Union fought for the freedom of slaves and won the war. They let black men recruit and join them in the war to fight for their freedom. In Miss Stonham's class, we went over the topic figurative language lots of times. We use figurative language in essays, sentences, and everyday life. For example, a simile is used. The words like or as compare one object or idea with another to suggest they are alike. Or a metaphor, which compares two things without like or as. In Turner's class, one of the things that I learned was the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to show you number 1. You take 4 feet and a foot, and you put it in the a squared and b squared. So I did 8 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 8 squared is 64, 4 squared equals 16. So 64 plus 16 equals c squared. Then you add that up, and that'd be 80, and then you'd square root 80, and that would equal c squared. So c squared equals 8.9 feet.